Hello my lovely people, welcome back to this kitchen, Sarah's kitchen, and hope you are doing well. And today guys, we are going to make this carrot rice, so stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my rice. And in case you are new here, kindly subscribe, watch and share my video, and welcome back. And guys, those are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. I will be using onion, carrot, coriander, ginger, and of course the rice, which I will show you later guys. So first thing we're going to do is to cook our onion. And guys, hiyo ndio kitunguu yetu ilikuwa medium size, ndio hiyo tumeiweka, and then tutaweka 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Hiyo ni unaweza weka more than ama less than. In my case sikuwa nataka mafuta mingi kwa our rice. And then guys, tutakoroga until ikuwe halfway golden brown. Hatutaki ikuwe golden brown cause you know venye itaanza kukaa fani kwa rice, that's why sitaki ikuwe golden brown. And at this point iko sawa. It took me around 3 minutes. And then we are going to add garlic. Hiyo ni 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic nayo it gives a unique flavor to your food. That's why I decided why not put in my rice guys. And then we are going to give it 3 minutes ndio iive, you know, ikuwe na ilete hiyo taste yenye tunaongelelea about. And after that guys, we're going to go in with our carrot. And again, unaweza weka carrot after umeweka rice ama weke rice after carrot, whichever works for you. And in my case nikaweka my carrots, hizo zilikuwa 2 pieces of carrot. Unaweza weka more than ama less than, yeah. And then tutakoroga for 5 minutes ive ichukue hiyo taste ya garlic na kitunguu, you get it, yeah. As we wait for our carrots zive guys, tutaosha our rice. In this case we are going to use 1 cup of rice, ndio hiyo. And then we are going to wash it ndio itoe uchafu. Sijui kaa kila mtu anaoshanga rice, most of the people hawaoshangi, but mimi napenda kuosha rice yangu. You can tell me in the comment section kama wewe ni wale watu wa kuosha ama wewe huwa hauoshi your rice. And then guys, tukimaliza hapo, that's when we go in with our rice. And guys, this recipe you must try. Yeah, you must try and let me know in the comment section, cause sio kila time unakula rice yako ikiwa tu, you know, ile tu maji, salt, and that's it. Now you should try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Our rice is clean, as you can see. Tutaiweka guys, and then we are going to add our salt and also guys, you can add the spices of your choice kama turmeric, cinnamon stick, clove, bay leaves, zozote zenye unaweza penda kuweka. In my case I will not be adding any cause I have a child mwenye atakuwa nakula hiyo rice pia. So guys, sisi tutaweka our salt, tukoroge as simple as that, na rice yetu itakuwa tamu, ya saitakuwa mbaya kama ya kuchemsha tu plain, you get it, yeah. So I will be adding 1 tablespoon of salt, ndio hiyo nishaongeza. And then nitakoroga like that, and we will go in with 2 cups of water, that is in this case ile method ya 1 cup of rice inaenda na 2 cups of water. I think ndio ina work squeezy kwangu. Kitambo sikuwa napima, and squeezy I do measure. Ndio hiyo tumeweka, and then tutakoroga again guys, and tutafunikia tungoje our rice to cook. And itachukua around 15 to 20 minutes ukiwa umeweka medium heat. And guys, by that time rice yetu itakuwa imeiva, and you can see our rice guys, as simple as that. Imagine na utakuwa umepika rice tamu, and in this case utakuwa unapikia wasee hiyo rice, and watakuwa wanapenda, unlike ile ya kuchemsha tu plain. So go try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. Yangu ndio hiyo, haikushikana cause kuweka maji mingi, you can see na ikoroga nikikuonyesha, you know, Yeah, so guys, I think that's it. Not I think, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Go tell me what you think in the comment section, what I should have added, and let me know what you think about it, whether you're going to try this recipe. And nika serve with a stew, you can see it, and nikakula sapa yangu. Yeah. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted, and we see you in the next one. I love you guys. Mwah.